Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 41 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Penn Setharin. Lesson 41 in Khmer we say Merin Ti Sai Sap Moi. It's on page 45. In this lesson we are learning to read words that end with consonant ka, go, and ko. Okay? In this section we're going to read the consonant, the sound of the vowel, and then the ending consonant. Okay, so start with words that combine with the vowels that are o and end with consonant ka. Okay, so ka, so, mu ka, muk. Now words that combine with the vowels that are and end with consonant go. Okay, po ear pia, pia go, pia. No ear near go, near. Okay. Now words that combine with the vowels a and end with consonant ka. Lo e le ka, le. Okay. For words that combine with the vowels a again and end with consonant ko. Mo e me ko, me. Okay. No lo le, mo e me ko, me. Mo e mia no mien. Po ka, pok. Okay, so now let's read this sentence. No lơ mết miên bok, which means there is cloud in the sky. Okay, this first picture reads near, and the second picture reads late. Okay, so now let's look at this lesson in more detail. Okay, first let's look at combining the consonant with the vowels that are o and end with consonant ka. Okay, for the first series consonant, okay, so o, or the sound of the o is o, and the consonant ka. So o ka, o. Okay, so now let's read this word. So o, so ka, so. Okay, for the second series consonant, the vowels o change its sound to u. Okay, so u, or the sound of u with the consonant ka. So u ka, u. Okay, so now let's read this word. Mu ka, muk. Okay. Now combining the consonant with the vowels a and end with consonant ka. Okay. The vowels a here doesn't change its sound between the first and the second series consonant. Okay. So a ka, a. Okay. So now let's read this word. Lo e le ka, le. Okay. For combining the second series consonant with the vowels a and end with the consonant go. Okay. For the second series consonant, a changes sound to ear or ear. Okay, with consonant go here. So ear go, ear. Okay. So now let's practice reading these words. Po ear pia, pia go, pia. No ear near go, near. Ro ear rear go, rear. Okay. Now combining the consonant with the vowels a and ending with consonant ko. Okay, again, so a does not change the sound between the first and the second series consonant. Okay, and then consonant ko. Okay, so a ko, a. Okay, so now let's read this word. Mo e me ko, me. Okay. So here is a list of the words that we've just read. As you can see, there are not many of them, as we don't have many words that end with consonant ga, ko, or go. Okay, so these are all the possible words that end with these three consonants. Okay, so let's read these words without sounding them. Sok, muk, late, pia, near, ria, and main. Okay, so now let's look at the vocabulary. Sok means to be healthy, to be safe, secure, peaceful, calm, tranquil, to be pleasant, comfortable, to be happy or glad. Muk means face, front, in front of, type, kind, variety, mouth or opening of a stream, or sharp edge of a knife blade. Okay, late means number, such as 1, 2, 3, numeral, digit, place, position, code, or sign. Pia means part, portion, share, section, division, or used between the numerator and the denominator of a fraction. Nia means dragon, or a person who wishes to become a monk, or a candidate for ordination as a monk. Meg means sky. Okay, no lơ meg mien popok, which means there is cloud in the sky. Okay, this lesson is on page 45. 45 in Khmer we say Sai Sapram. Okay, so now let's take out a piece of paper and a pencil and learn how to write some of the words from lesson 41. Okay, now start with so. Okay, saw, so call, so. Okay, now write mok, more, more change the sound to so mu ko, mok. Okay, now write pia, po, change the sound to ear, so po ear pia go pia. Okay, now write near, no, again change the sound to ear, so no ear, near go near. Okay, now write leg, lo okay, lo le ko le. Okay, and finally write make, mo okay, please note that A does not change the sound between the first and the second series consonant. Okay, so mo me ko me. Okay, so for your assignment, please read this word 5 times and then write each one 5 times. Okay, now let's review lesson 41. Again, lesson 41 in Khmer we say Merin thi sai sap moi. It's on page 45. Page 45 in Khmer we say Tumpo thi sai sap pram. In this lesson, we have learned how to read words that end with consonant ka, go, and ko. Okay, for this section, we're going to read these words without sounding them. Okay, sok, mok, pia, nia, late, make, no lơ make mien popok. This first picture reads near, and the second picture reads late. Okay, so we have now completed lesson 41. I'm Alai. For more info or feedback, please visit Khmer School of San Francisco. Thanks.